Right now, sentiment around sustainability is spiking significantly at plus 0.55, with momentum hitting plus 0.80. This is a clear uptick compared to historical trends. If you're building applications around social insights, now's the time to leverage this data. Our API provides you with nuanced sentiment analysis across 20 semantic clusters, giving you a comprehensive view of public opinion. Imagine integrating this into a sustainability-focused product or service. You can tailor marketing strategies based on real-time sentiment, ensuring your messaging resonates with the current climate. To dive deeper into how to utilize this data effectively, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make informed decisions together.